Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed. This video is going to be a quick and easy video. You guys know I made a video of how to get rid of bees. It worked perfect, still working, but now we have a situation. We've been having problems with carpenter bees, but now for real, we got problems with carpenter bees, and we also have problems with birds pooping on the fence. The birds poop on the fence, and the carpenter bees is like tearing the fence into shreds. We just got it. We just got it painted, and it's just been a disaster. Not a disaster, but just that's been our problem. Like when I say they poop, birds been pooping everywhere. And it wasn't like this when we first got the actual fence up. We just had, occasional carpenter bees and stuff, but now I feel like they are really digging in and the bird poop is like everywhere. So I've been going over to get the bird poop off. You got to be careful with bird poop because bird poop is very toxic if it's pigeons, whatever. So I've been putting like Dawn and water, hot water, on it and then spraying it with the hose. You got to hurry up and get it. Don't let it embed in. But this ain't about bird poop, okay? This is about the actual carpenter bee. So what we're finna do is we're finna try that concoction that I told you guys that I used to get rid of the wasp, bees, both of them. So let's go ahead and see if it works. I'm going to go ahead and put all that concoction, which is Dawn water. I'm going to use some essential oils, which is going to, you don't even got to use the essential oils, but I'm going to use essential oils because I feel like that worked really good. I got cinnamon. I have some others, and I'll let you know when I come back and bring it back down. But they are clove is very good with it to keep bugs away. Lavender. Just try any essential oil that you have. They don't like stuff like that. Make sure you're mixing it. I put about inside of a container. Say this is the container. Okay, say this is the container. I put about this much Dawn. I forgot to tell you, I put about this much vinegar, and I put like just maybe a couple of drops of whatever essential oil you want to use. All of them are good, I told you. And what you want to do is spot check. Don't just put it on there and it mess up the whole fence because we got it painted now. So I'm just going to just put a little spot check on the area that you see they jacked up already, and then we'll go from there, okay? Here is another product to get. You can get this from Home Depot. It is excellent for carpenter bees. It get inside of the actual the little holes and stuff. So make sure you purchase this also. A thing. Once I do get the actual bee dead, I mean the carpenter bee, which is the queen, once I make sure she is dead, if you got some wasp spray or carpenter spray, I will spray that inside there. Make sure she is dead before you go in and caulk it. I am going to caulk it. Once I find out it's dead, I'm going to caulk it, and I'm going to put some, you see it, you can see her right in there. I don't know if you just seen her, the camera wasn't down, but I can see her still inside there. It's from there to there. They said that they plant they bees, they babies. Make sure you do this at night, when it's about to get sixes on down, because you don't want to do it in the morning because that's when they're really active. And still be careful. So I got my concoction. This is vinegar, water, Dawn, and like I said, I use some essential oils. It's peppermint, lemongrass, and oregano. Again, you don't have to use the essential oils. It's up to you, but I just feel like to me, it made it work even better. And I also have my husband told me to use some solvent, but I want to just try this concoction to see if this works, because I know everybody was asking me to do a work on carpenter bees. So all you're gonna do, spray bottle, spray it, be careful, and go from there. Two different settings. Check it before you do it. I'm going to do this type of setting so it can come out like for real, okay? And it's kind of fun. I hate to say it, but it's kind of like a game. You know how you playing a game? Make sure you pressing inside of that, because I see it. I can see it right there. Make sure you are, again, putting it directly inside of there. We'll check tomorrow to see how it goes, okay? And again, if this don't work, do spot check always, because I don't want to mess up my paint too. Always do a spot check. But I'm like, me and my husband said they're already jacking up the fence, so how worse can it look? So, I mean, to a certain degree. We're going to get it caulked and repaint it. Kill them first and then do all that extra, and then we'll get it repainted, okay? I'll keep you posted how it works. And put below if y'all try my bee concoction, if it worked for you. Put that below, okay? Don't forget to subscribe for more, okay? And I can see the bee right inside of there. Just happen to look at it. They are making another hole. So I'm telling you guys, you got to get on it ASAP. Don't let it go. This is my first time seeing it. I just happened to be sitting down and I seen it. So make sure you check in your fence or your house regularly, because this can be your house. If you got a wood house, but I heard if you put polyure inside of the paint on the fence, that should keep the bees away. Okay. It's funny, like once everything is ruined, that's when you finally find people tell you, well, you should put polyure, you should did this. So please, guys, research things before you get it done, ways to how to save it, especially your fence, guys. I'm so upset about this fence. I wish I knew what I knew now. I mean, all the person had to do is tell me the company to put polyure in it, and I didn't know it. Or it's poly something, they said. Google it. You'll see what stopped carpenter bees on your fence, and you will see what it's called, poly something. Okay, and then I'll probably try to put it in the somewhere on this video. I'm just so upset, guys, but it's all good. We're gonna try to make it work. I'll come back and let you guys know.